Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Nugget ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker. In this video, we will delve into their features, performance, and value for money. Whether you're looking for chewable nugget ice or quick bullet ice production, we've got you covered. Let's find out which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. The Nugget ice maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for those who enjoy soft, crunchy ice in their drinks. This type of ice is often found in fast food restaurants and is favored for its slow melting properties. On the other hand, the COWSAR ice maker produces classic, bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for cooling drinks quickly, but may melt faster than nugget ice. Depending on your ice preferences, this could be a deciding factor in your choice. When it comes to daily ice production, the Nugget ice maker has a significant advantage, producing up to 35 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period. This makes it an excellent choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker produces 26.5 pounds of ice daily, which is still substantial, but may require more frequent emptying for larger parties. Consider your ice consumption needs when making your choice. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The Nugget ice maker is priced at $199, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. Meanwhile, the COWSAR ice maker offers a more budget-friendly option at just $109. If you're looking for a high-capacity, specialized ice maker and are willing to invest more, the Nugget may be the right choice. However, if you're seeking value and portability, the COWSAR is an excellent alternative. In conclusion, both the Nugget ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize chewable ice and high daily output, the Nugget is the clear winner. However, for those who need a portable, budget-friendly option that still delivers quality ice, the COWSAR is a fantastic choice. Whichever you choose, both machines will elevate your ice-making experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.